Hello and welcome to the 3D. My name is Erdoğan Taşkurt and I am a 3D journalist and instructor for both animation and video games. As you can guess, this YouTube channel is all about animation and video games. I will try to guide you through your learning progress. We will learn new stuff, develop our skills, boost our creativity, and have fun together. If you are interested and wants to see more content on this channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. I see you guys next time.